Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about the link that you can create inside same document, inside same document. So like if you have headings in your documents, you just create one index in last page or anywhere. You just connect one word to one headings or one paragraphs or etc. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you can see here, I have one file. Actually, that is not so true here. What is computer? That is related to just I created by taking is equal rand open bracket. Then I gave how many sentence I want, how many paragraphs I want. Then close bracket, enter. So I by using that I took these sentences and then I have converted this into headings. Like here in home menu we have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So first let's talk about this, how we can place the link inside same document. So I'm going to go here last here, or we can take one next page, one extra page. So control enter. If you take, then you will get extra pages. Come here on insert, then hyperlink. In previous video we have already talked about these things. So if you haven't watched, please watch this video, and that is very beneficial for all, not only for Microsoft users. That's also beneficial if you are user of computer or laptops. So let's talk about this one. Place in this document. Here one we have bookmarks, another we have headings. So in this here, first we have headings, many headings. First is what is computer, parts of computer, monitor, keyboard, these all are. So I'm going to get link here. First, what is computer, then what you want same what is computer on your display or something else. So let me show you. Just I'm not making any changes here, just hit OK. Now I got here same thing, even it's still link, it will work if you hold control and click on this link. See, I have reached here on what's computer, which is in page number 1, and before I was in page number 7. If I scroll down, see, now I'm in page number 7. You can see here page number 7 of 7. Now if you don't want to same thing, you want something else, so you can write there. Like here I have heading to parts of computers. Here I can write here, I have written here, instead of parts of computer, read all parts of computer. Then just hit OK. Now hold control and click on this one. So now I am here on parts of computer. This is all. But you know one thing, like now if I want to go in last of my page, so now I have to scroll down again. So not to do like that. So we can, what if we can create a link after every headings? So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to here index page. Okay, here I have written index page, then centralize. Now I want to create here one link related to this one to another things. So first convert this into heading, home menu, then heading 1 or heading 2, any heading you can take. Then centralize. For centralize is control E. Now if I come here on this one, what is computer? I am here. Now from here I want not to scroll, I want to go in last page, but not by scrolling, I want to go by link. So make some space here, or even though you can give here link itself in this one. Select this one and come on insert, then hyperlink. See, I selected this one, so I am already here on. Now where is that index page? My index page is here. Then hit OK. Now if you click on this on, so now you are here in last page. So that is very interesting things. Now if you click on this one, hit OK, or same you can create link here on this one so we don't need to go scroll again and again. Just click on a hyperlink, and here we have index page and hit OK. Then just click and you are here in last. Another feature of hyperlink, we have to create link in separate document. In this document, we had just converted into headings. Even if you have bookmark, if you have applied bookmark in your document, still you can create link using your bookmarks. But what if you want to create link in separate documents? So how to do that? So next option is related to this one. here I want to create the link, not here. I want a separate document. So here click on hyperlink, then new document. It is asking you text to display. What do you want to display here? I'm just writing here. Then second, I wrote here name of new documents, means what name would be on my new documents. Here in this case, I have a document one. So in that next document, what name should be there? So that name should be detailed information of computer. Now it is asking when to edit. You want to edit now, or you want to just save and edit later? So we will go through this one, edit new document now. Edit new documents later, so we can go through the link. Then just hit OK. Now as you see, I have created one link. Now if I hold control and click on this one, so another file has opened here, detailed information of computer. If I write here, I'm just taking some text like 23, or you can take anyone. Okay. There I have taken 4 pages. Then just press Ctrl S and close this file. Now again, if you click here, that file is closed. We don't need to give location. That will take location by default on your documents. Then click on hold Control and click on this link. See, same file has opened. So this is a very beautiful feature of Microsoft Word about hyperlink. This part 2 was about the hyperlinks, remaining hyperlink options. I hope you enjoyed and you got some new information. If you got any new information, please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.